So you think you could do your own gutters? Well, welcome back to my channel. I got a quote. Most of my house, almost my entire house, I got done by a gutter company. They came and did the whole thing. I thought, I don't need gutters by this little section going in between my garage and my house, but I was wrong. So I called them back and I said, what about just adding 2 gutters, the top one and the side gutter over here? And in doing so, they wanted $850 for those 2 gutters. You're talking about basically 20 feet of gutters total. That's it. And so I thought, I could do that, no problem. It's just 2 small gutters. So a couple things to note. I got the wrong ladder. I needed a 24-foot ladder to get up there, and I got a 20-foot ladder to start, didn't work. Had to go and get a 24-foot ladder. The second thing is, I thought that the overhang wasn't that big. So I didn't think I needed those ladder feet that go against the house. If I had the ladder feet, this would be a lot easier. So get the ladder feet if you can. It pushes you off the house by about a foot. So it gets you past your roof line, and it would make you so you could see a lot better in putting the screws in to get the gutters into the soffit of the house. But anyway, I had to be very flexible, lean way back, that sort of thing, but I'm very comfortable on a ladder. And so I got it done. This actually cost me about $200 total, which would have cost me $850. And frankly, I think it's a pretty darn good job. So I don't think you could really tell the difference between where the pros left off and where I started. The gutters look the exact same, and everything looks really, really good. So take a look. So 2 main things. One, this isn't a job for everybody. If you could do it, if you wanted to give it a try, it's not hard work. You just need a tin snips. You need a little hacksaw for cutting the gutters down. A little bit of patience. And otherwise, you can copy what the professionals did. It's what I did for all this. So it looks the exact same as they did. But it's not for the faint of heart. If you aren't good on ladders, don't do it. The other thing is, check where you all need gutters before you just do what I did. You skip the overcharge. So at the time, it probably would have cost me about $500 to do the gutters, to add the gutters that I needed. You know, now they want $850 because the comeback charge, they're going to charge me $350. So anyways, measure, make sure you get the gutters you want to start with, that we don't have to worry about this. So that's it. Gutter jobs aren't easy, but you could easily do them. See ya.